Guys, welcome to my third video. As I promised, I'll be demonstrating how we can use Agentic AI to easily create the Agentic RAG. So basically, don't worry about this term RAG. I'll be explaining what is RAG. Uh, Next slide. So the prerequisite for this video is the Conda installation and basic understanding of the Python language. And the tools which we'll be using here is again the same: Phi Data Framework for Agentic AI, Python, Grok, open source Llama model, and VS Code. So basically, we are trying to use the open source model because if you integrate the OpenAI model, you need to pay for the calls, and but I don't want to basically incur the cost for the demo purpose. So even though OpenAI will behave better than the open source model, but for the demo purpose, let's utilize the Llama model. So first of all, I'm going to talk about RAG model. So what is RAG? So as we know that when we are training the AI model, so we'll be training it up to a particular time period. Okay. For example, our Llama model might have been trained till December 2024. Okay, but after that, whatever happened or whatever information is there on the web, that can't be captured by that model. So basically, to augment these data, we use a model called retrieval augmented generation. So if you see here, if we ask any question uh, to our agent, so basically under RAG model, what agent does is that it will look for the relevant document or the knowledge base, and basically from there it will extract the data, and then it will take help from the LLM to generate the answer in structured manner, and if anything is to be added to that answer. So with the help of all these, the LLM will finally compose the final answer, and the final answer will have the data or the points which otherwise could not have been found in the LLM model itself. So, uh, so since now we have understood the RAG model, so for our demo purpose, we'll be using a PDF file, basically, to load the knowledge base, and and the LLM which we'll be using here is the Llama model. So guys, let's create a new folder, same as our previous exercise, and so basically uh, I'm going to create a new folder here. Uh, so let's say new folder name is PDF assist demo. Okay, demo. Okay, so let's open this. So now we have opened it in VS Code editor. So as we remember from the previous video, first of all, we need to run conda to set up our virtual environment. Okay, so let's run this command. Since I have all the dependency already in my system, so it won't take much time for me, and it will generate all the packages. So as you can see here, it had generated a folder called VNB already. I have already explained this in my previous video. So now basically we to run the program, basically we'll have to create one requirement.txt file which will contain all the dependencies needed here. And one more file we're going to create here is pdf assist.py, where our code logic will reside. First of all, let's list all the dependencies needed here in requirement.txt. And if you see here, basically there are 4 new dependencies added. SQL Alchemy, basically that will be used for loading the data into the vector DB, and then PG vector, basically we'll be creating for utilizing this for creating the knowledge base, same for PSY COPG binary package, and PyPDF will be used for it's a library used for dealing with the Python files in sorry, dealing with the PDF files in Python. So hope everything is clear till now. So I'll be saving this file, and basically I'll be installing all the dependencies here. So since I have already installed all these dependency in my system, so it's saying that requirements are already satisfied. So guys, now let's move to PDF assist code logic. So we'll be basically importing these packages. So basically these packages will be everything from the Phi framework. So I have already explained about Grok and the agent in previous video, and other 3 are basically the PDF URL knowledge base for creating the knowledge base for agentic RAG, and then PG vector is basically it will be utilized for loading the data into the vector DB, and for using the open source AI model, we'll be using Hugging Face Customer Embedder in this case. Okay, before moving further, guys, sorry guys, I forgot to tell one thing, that before moving further, we need to create an instance of vector DB where we'll be creating the knowledge base. So here basically for creating the vector DB, we will be utilizing Docker image, and with the help of Docker image, we'll be bringing up our vector DB, and then we'll be utilizing that instance to insert our knowledge base. So guys, I'm now going to run the Docker container to bring up the vector DB. So let's run this command. So once I have run this command, so basically the prerequisite for running this command is that your Docker uh, desktop should be running. So my Docker desktop was already running, and we can see that there is one instance of PG vector DB has been created, and it's running successfully. Okay, so you have to verify this before moving further. So guys, the vector DB which we created can be connected using this DB URL. So basically, it's a Postgres DB, and basically it can be connected on port number 5532. As you can see here, we already mentioned this port. So next is basically to embed open source AI model using the Hugging Face customer embedder. So guys, as you can see that we are using Hugging Face customer embedder and passing the model name here, and basically the API key for the Hugging Face instance which we are using. This you can generate by logging into the Hugging Face dashboard. Now guys, we are going to create the knowledge base here. So as you can see that we are making use of the PDF file. So we are leveraging this function PDF URL knowledge base, and so basically we need to tell the URL of the PDF and the vector DB configurations. So what this PDF URL knowledge base does, that it goes to this URL of the PDF file and scans the PDF file and extracts the information from that file, and then loads it into the vector DB. Okay, so let's see what this PDF file contains. So we can basically open this PDF file in our browser. Okay. Okay. Okay, so guys, as you can see, and this is a basically cookbook for different type of food items. So, for example, like how we can all the recipes and direction for making a particular dish. So it's basically a handout of that. So basically, we'll be using this PDF as a knowledge base for extracting different kind of information like ingredient or directions or steps to basically prepare a particular food item. So now the we invoke knowledge underscore base dot load. So basically this invocation basically loads the data finally from this PDF into this vector DB. So guys, once these data is stored in vector DB, we can create agentic AI using again this agent construct, and we can pass the model similarly as I explained in my previous video, and we have to specify the knowledge base here, and then I have also marked the debug mode as true because I'll be showing you what are the things it is doing behind the scene. So now we are asking a question to this agent, that how do I make chicken and galangal in coconut milk soup. Okay, so okay, so guys, the last step basically is to set the Grok API key because we are utilizing the Grok AI model here. So I'll be setting this as an environment variable. So guys, it's time to run this program. So let's run this program and see if we are getting to our intended result. So as you can see, it's loading at the knowledge base from the PDF, and it's also loading all the logs from where it is reading, and it will basically step by step give us the instruction, a summary of instruction and ingredients and tips. So so the question which we asked was how do I make chicken and galangal in coconut milk soup. If you see this handout, here it is mentioned chicken and galangal in coconut milk soup. So basically it's making use of the information inside this PDF, and then giving you all the ingredient instruction and everything in a structured and like summarized manner. You can see that it's like a summary or a step-by-step process it is listing. So so basically, yeah, it is listing down all the instruction, tips, ingredient. Uh, See, so basically, you can see that how clear it is compared to the information mentioned in the handout. So basically, it's summarizing everything which is there inside that PDF. So you can see the power of agentic AI here, right? So instead of this PDF, you can use any PDF, and then you can summarize the information inside that PDF. So guys, you can see how powerful this agentic AI is. It has taken me 10 minutes to create this much powerful agent, which can basically read through all the PDF and give you the summarized view of all the information. So that's it from my side for this video, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, any questions, please comment in the comment box, and please do like and subscribe, and also suggest if any improvement is needed for the from my side for this tutorial, so that I can also improve myself and help you guys to grow together.